What's up, guys? This is Denman here, back with another video, and today we're going to be magnetizing this wrench. So, see, you can't really, doesn't really pick things up. It's not magnetic, but we're going to make it magnetic. And I have pajamas on because today's family fun night and pajama day at the same time. So that's lucky. Alright, so let's start. So you only want about 10 long strokes of the magnet. So you're going to be doing this. It's 10 times. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try. Let's try the ends. See? Works. The ends. So you could, look, just take the bigger one so you can see. You could just drag it around the table. And here's a cool magnet trick. Let's see if it works. Nope. It doesn't work. Let's see if it'll work if we use something. Dang. I want to make it work. But how are we going to do that? I guess I can't really make it work. But there you go. You could try this at home. You could use a screwdriver. Where'd the screwdriver go? Well, it's gone. But take a screwdriver and do the same thing with it about 10 times. And then if you have any staples in the house, you could try it out.